It's a nail art. It's a nail. It's a nail haul art. Can't even say it. It's a nail haul art. It's a nail. It's a nail art. Don't. Okay, you guys know what it is. Just look at the title. Just look at the title. It's late in the evening, and that just kicked things off for me. I don't know what made that happen, but I just thought it was so hilarious in the moment. Hey, NailTubers, what is up, Nailification Squad? And I know I've been saying this a lot, but this haul is just a few things, and it's some things that I've had for a while. When I either work like overtime or just take extra hours, basically. An amount of my extra pay I use to grab some things. And so these things have been sitting September. So we're just gonna get right into this, okay? So look, I got this. And this is the Beatles Chrome nail powder. I do have a few nail powders. Not all of them are chrome. By the way, I'm just kind of doing this ad lib because I don't even remember what any of this stuff is. We're gonna discover it together. So, chrome powder. There's a little ASMR for you, and I hope you guys don't hear my heater on full blast in the background because it has gotten a bit chilly up here in Chicago. Okay, so here's your application guide. Cool, cool. Because, you know, some different powders, you know, you do them different ways. You could kind of prop this up and go along with those instructions. It comes with a application brush. Oh, these hairs feel kind of, oh, they feel nice and silky. I can't feel it through the glove, but they're nice and soft. Of course, for powders, nice brush with the Beatles branding on it. And then they even, as you could see, there's some sponge applicators. Looks like 8 powders. Yep. So this packet looks like it must contain like pretty much pastel. Holographic. Oh, these are nice. And look at this. Here's chameleon powder. I'm just gonna turn it a little bit for you to see. And I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging so I don't get the powder everywhere. Yeah, so there's like a rose color, silver. That's a really deep gold. And then the chameleon. And these are all, what do you call it? Like pearlized or, I guess you could cut holographic. Aren't they beautiful? Iridescent. They're so pretty. And the iridescent appeal of these powders are of different colors. Like this has kind of a greenish pink tinge to it. This has more pink, and this is more purple. Something else in this box. Again, like I said, we're discovering this together because I've totally forgotten what any of this contains. And I actually, as I'm talking, I'm trying to remember. And then you have 2 Beatles gel polishes, and it's color gel, and here are the tags on top. So one is black and one is white. And then actually, I am really trying to figure out why I ordered these, because, and I'm going to show you. It's because I already have them. So I must have ordered because, and you know what? I don't think I've done a video with these. No, I can't think of it. I will though. You guys will be seeing a lot of different stuff soon. Because, you know, I think I've mentioned before that I've always been into 3D nail art. Oh, so without taking them out, because I'm quite sure they're sealed, those were. I can take one of those out and let you guys see. So here's an orange. Maybe just a little bit different from the label that's on there, but that's a pretty orange, isn't it? And then let's see. Let's look at this pink real quick and then we'll move on, because I am doing a nail set in this video. Because this is Bougie Nails on a Budget. This pink is really cute. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a lot of nail art, 3D nail art. So, oh, and then look, it comes with its silicone tool. Cute, very cute. So yeah, I got that. Remember I did the Polygel nails with the little pom-poms? Well, I found some more different ones. Now let me take them out because some of them are out of the bag. Because I did do a video. But these are the ones that are out because this is the color that I used. Let me just show you. Look at these, guys. Heart-shaped pom-poms. And they're in like a darker blue. There's gray. You know what? I actually wasn't sure how I felt about these at first. Because, how do I explain it? I was actually expecting them to be like fluffy. You know what I mean? Like pom-pom, actually like fluffy, if you know what I'm saying. And so when I got them, they seem to be more like solid, not like, well, they are stiff, hard, solid. Yeah, I just expected them to be a little more, all I can say is just fluffy. These are more like stuffed, you know how like stuffed animals are. That's the best way that I describe them. Aren't they cute though? I think they're cute. Well, I appreciate that it's double packed, just in case those jars opened up. It's kind of hard to handle plastic bagging or wrapping with these gloves on. So if this, oh, I see it now. I love these bottles. They look so cute. They'll be so cute and decorative on the shelf. Let me put them where you can see them. There's only one thing about this collection. I remember ordering these. I remember selecting this. I love the bottles. I know that I have plans and I'm going to lay them down so you guys can see them. Oh, they're so pretty. They're so cute. These bottles are plastic, but they're so little. They're kind of sparkly and pretty, right? So yeah, caviar beads. I love them. But I would really like, where's the purple? I would like a blue. Actually, this kinda, I'm thinking this is black, but through here, this looks like it could be a dark purple. But, you know, my thing is, I didn't order blue, green. But yeah, caviar beads in different colors. I like that orange. Now, this pink is cute. But I still like them, guys. So I might have to get some other colors in these. So yeah, now we're going to get into the nail set for today. Okay, so let's get started.